the Whitewater Park was first built, it was primarily used by kayakers. We now see all water users enjoying their time. Stand-up paddleboarders, river surfers, kayakers, rafters are all surfing the waves. But we're seeing tons of usage by just walkers, people that enjoy time with their dogs and pets. The Buena Vista Whitewater Park started in 2001 with our first feature upstream of the Whipple Bridge. We saw great success with that, so many people using it in different fashions that we're able to work with the town and the county and the state to bring 4 additional features built between 2007 and 2009. Since then, crowds have grown and interest has grown every year. The Whitewater Park features are man-made, but we make them look very natural. To do these, it takes permitting with the Army Corps of Engineers, planning, design work, and then we have contractors that come in and actually move the rocks around, place them into the correct areas, build up the wings to make sure that the high flow and low flows are correct, and it makes these magical waves. But every year or two we have to come in and do little maintenance, fix areas that need upgrade, where there's been erosion, working on the trails, planting additional trees. So every year or two we come in and do this additional work to make sure the region and the park is at its best it can be. Yeah, the Whitewater Park brings several events, Paddle Fest being the biggest one that takes place Memorial Day every year. It brings paddlers from all over the country and world to compete. The staircase wave is our most popular feature in the river park. It's easy to get to, it's got great shade and great seating. The feature itself is a combination of a green wave and a turbulent hole. The pocket wave exists right below the staircase wave, and its hydraulic performance is incredible at really low flows and really high flows. Unfortunately, it's not working great at our median flows, which is around 500 to 1,000 cubic feet per second. The goal is to get in there this winter, and we're going to revamp the whole wave. We'll tear out the low flow, rebuild it, and make sure that the hydraulic performance is at its top potential for medium flows coming into the next spring and summer season. The river park brings a lot of value to our community as a town of Buena Vista and also in Chaffee County. We get visitors from all over the state that spend every weekend here, sharing our waves with our friends. It brings in people from around the country and even the world that just want to come check out how awesome our river waves are. We've been voted one of the top river parks in the country. It's a beautiful setting, it's free of charge, so people come and enjoy, and when they're here having fun discovering our river park, they also discover our town and how unique our downtown and highway corridors are and everything else that Buena Vista has to offer.